Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you cannot tell by the title already, I am doing a bit of a Gucci unboxing. This is actually my first, I guess you can say luxury purchase. So if you want to see what I picked up, then keep watching this video. Alright guys, I am just going to jump into this video. Excuse me. So I did go to the Gucci outlet in San Francisco. I feel like everybody knows about this outlet by now. It's a Gucci outlet. Things there are like at a discounted price, so you're not paying full retail. There's not like new season things in there, which, you know, I don't really care about because, again, like, this is my first luxury purchase. I'm not really into spending a lot of money on clothing and shoes and like things like that. So anyways, I went to the Gucci outlet and whew, y'all, okay, first of all, it was hot outside. Rewind. So if you watched my videos, then my Carmel vlog, I went to Carmel, and then on the way back we stopped at that outlet in San Francisco, and at that outlet was the Gucci store. So we went. I really just wanted to go to the Gucci store, so that's why we went. Anyways, so the line was like literally like wrapped around, and it took probably like an hour to get into the store. And once you got up to the line, they were taking your temperature, and I was like, well, that doesn't even make sense because it's hella hot out here. So you're taking my temperature, and of course I'm gonna be hot, but whatever. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. So it took about an hour to get in the store, and if you watched my vlog, then you would have seen just some of the clips of what the store looked like. It's pretty small, I would say, and they had arrows on the floor, so you had to go in the direction of the arrows. It started with like scarves and purses, bags, you know, small leather goods, wallets, things like that. And then it went into clothing, which I don't really like any of Gucci's clothing. It's really like a lot of their stuff is kind of too gaudy for me, and it's just not my thing. I'm kind of like an understated type of person, so I don't need everybody to know that what I'm wearing is, you know, expensive or a luxury item or anything like that. That's just me though. So yeah, clothes, I went straight past clothes, straight past the purses and all that thing, and I went to the shoes. So I did pick up a pair of shoes for me and a pair of shoes for Babe, and they are super simple, understated, but I feel like they are like classics and we'll always be able to wear these. And like, they had these sandals. If I can find a picture of them, I'm gonna put it in the video, but they had these sandals that had these like gemstones and things all over them, and I'm like, ugh, those are ugly. Like, you're gonna buy those and next year you're not gonna wear them anymore because they're gonna be out of style. So yeah, that's my whole thing. Like, keep it simple, keep it understated, keep it basic, so that, you know, your items, if you do pay a lot of money for them, you can wear them, you know, forever. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing. I am also going to have a couple of clips with what the shoes look like on both of our feet, so you can get an idea if you are interested, you know, in these types of shoes. So okay, so let's start with, I guess you can say, the shopping experience and the packaging and all that kind of stuff. I know when you go to like the real Gucci stores, I believe they come in a white bag and it has like black trim. So if it's a bag like this, then it definitely came from the outlet. It still says Gucci. It's still like a nice cardboard type of material. So yeah, and even the box. Let's get into that. Okay. So this box is a brown box, and it says Gucci on it, and I believe the new Gucci stores, or like the not outlet stores, they have the boxes are white with the black trim to match the bag. So you may get a box like this if you go to the outlet, which, I mean, who cares what the box looks like? It's just gonna sit on top of the closet anyways, unless you're using it for decor pieces, but like, I'm not. So when we get in there, they only allow a certain amount of people in the store. Where am I gonna put this? They only allowed a certain amount of people in the store, and you got assigned like a shopper or whatever. My shopper, her name was Karen. She was super cool. She even gave me her number, which I texted her the other day to see if they had any new boots in, because they had these boots that I really wanted, but they didn't have them in my size, and I was so sad about it. And So I've been waiting for them to get some more of those back in stock. But anyways, they only allowed a certain amount of people in the store. Of course, it has the tissue paper. It comes with your dust bags. This one is brown, so it matches the box. I don't know like how old this is. And it has like a drawstring type of thing on it as well. And then here is, wow, there's only one dust bag in there. So yeah, and then it has like softer tissue paper. I like this tissue paper. This is actually nice. Anyways, that's weird. It only had one dust bag, so I'm not sure if like you only get one dust bag at the outlet, but I'm not sure if both of his shoes can fit. But these are the shoes, and this is the Mirosoft White. That's all it says. Is no Mirosoft Mystic White. So if you're looking for this type of like Converse type of style in this color, that's the name of it. And then this is the shoe. So it just looks like this. Super simple. Love the color. You can literally wear these with everything, which is, you know, what we're kind of going for. Like, not something that, oh, you can only wear with certain outfits, especially like your first luxury item. You kind of want to be able to, like, you spent all this money, you need to get your wear out of them. So the fact that you can literally wear this with, you know, anything, you know, put some jeans on and call it a day with any t-shirt, and it's super simple. And it just has this Gucci, what do you call this? I don't know, it's like this metal thing. I guess we'll say a label on the shoestrings, and yeah. Super simple type of shoe. I'll insert a clip of what it looks like on Babe's feet. But yeah, I picked these out and I just absolutely loved them. The quality feels really nice. He said they feel really good on his feet, and they also look really nice too. So yeah, and then on the bottom it says Gucci made in Italy as well. You can see. So this is this shoe. Super, super simple. Alright, so let's get into the shoe that I picked out. And again, it's in the same black Gucci bag. Oh, I didn't even realize. So maybe, hold on, maybe not, because my shoes came in the white with the black box, which I believe this is how it'll come when you go to like a Gucci store that's not an outlet. There is like some scuff mark on it, but again, I don't care because it's just going, it's gonna go on the top of the closet anyways. So let's unbox these. I got two dust bags in mine, and they're white, and they just say Gucci on this like little label thing, which is, you know, these are super nice. They're like, feel like a satin, or yeah, definitely like a satin material. So it is very simple. I picked out the color pink. They had this in this high top and then the low top. Originally I was going for the low top, but they didn't have that in my size, so I ended up getting the high top, which once I put them on, they look super, super cute, and I will be inserting a clip of what they look like on my feet. But I just love this classic like Converse style silhouette of a shoe, and it's in this pink color, which I love as well. So like anything like some blue jeans, white t-shirt, black t-shirt, and throw these on. Super, 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 super cute. And they have like the same Gucci thing on the bottom as well, and it's like this canvas print. If you can kind of see in my camera, it just has the double G's, and it's not very like wham bam in your face double G's. It's kind of like, it's like embossed in there, so you kind of have to really look at it to see that it says, or that it has the double G's on it. And there's nowhere else where you would know that these were Gucci shoes. This top part is like a leather, and then this is like more of like that canvas material. So yeah, super cute. I really, really love these, and I cannot wait to wear them. They're so they're just really cute and stylish, and I don't feel like they will really go out of style because of the silhouette and the style of the shoe and just how simple they are. And I can like really pair these with anything, especially going into fall and winter. I'm gonna have my leggings, t-shirt, and throw these on and just be good to go. So yeah, these are the shoes that I got from the Gucci outlet. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing that was kind of like all over the place because I just talk and ramble. But I did pick up those 2 pairs of shoes from the Gucci outlet. So if you're in the area and are wondering, you know, what kind of things that they have there, they have all sorts of things. And simple things like those that you can pick up and just not feel like you wasted your money because you'll probably never wear it or you only wear it one time. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, then definitely let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.